Hi everyone, my name is Sheree. Welcome to our Ocean Spa here at Jamaica Inn. Today I'd like to share a few wellness tips with you. Just tips that you can use while you're at home. During the pandemic, persons are working from home or even in the office, but you're stressed and can't find the time to really go out to get yourself pampered. And these are some home care tips that I will be sharing with you today. What I have here is some ingredients to make exfoliants for you to exfoliate your skin. During this time, it's really cold and the skin is dry. And so you want to ensure that you prepare the skin just before you moisturize. And by doing an exfoliation of the skin, it gets rid of the dead skin cells. And so the skin is able to penetrate whatever moisturizer that you are going to apply to the skin after your exfoliation. So what I have today, these are items that you can find in your kitchen. This is salt, and I have sugar, also some oil, and this is coconut oil, and I have a shower gel. So in preparing this exfoliant, what you're going to do is to add your salt or sugar, whichever one you want to use or you wish to use, some coconut oil, and this is very simple, and you can add your shower gel. If you notice, I'm not even measuring what I'm using, because this is basic. All right, so that's the mixture right there. And if you have essential oils at home, you can always add essential oils just to add a little fragrance as well. So what you see here, that's the exfoliant. And you apply to the body gently, just rubbing in circular motions. And this helps with circulation as well, while you're removing the dead skin cells from the skin. So this can be done just before you take a bath or a shower. I'm going to use a warm rag just to remove the product from the skin. And after an exfoliation, your body is usually smooth and soft and left with a glow. Alright? So after your exfoliation, you can use your moisturizer. If you want to use your coconut oil, you can use your coconut oil, or if you want to use a body butter, that will actually seal the moisture in the skin and you moisturize after. Right now, my skin is really feeling smooth and soft, and you will love this. Alright? Another method that you can use to exfoliate is the dry brushing. What I have here is a brush, and you can get this to purchase. You can actually use it long, or if you want to use, this is actually more comfortable for me. And so you would do a little brushing just before you take your bath or your shower, and you brush the entire body. And what this does, while it's removing the dead skin cells, it also helps with circulation. I know persons are at the desk and you're sitting for the entire day, and this is perfect for you, even on the legs, because you have your feet hanging for the entire day. You can always do your dry brushing. And after the dry brushing, I recommend that you take a shower or a bath and just relax for the rest of the day. I hope these tips do help.